Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. Today I'll guide you load NFS server and client setup on RHEL8. By the end of the video, you will understand how to install the required packages, configure the server, and mount the shared directory from the client. Let's get started. Now, during client, username root, password. Type your password. Open your terminal. First, you need to confirm the information, host name. Now, here is NFS server. Sorry, here. Okay, here is NFS server. IP. NFS server is 10.10.10.10. Okay. Client. Open the client service. Okay. Your username. Type your username root. Password. Type your password. Okay. Again, open your terminal. Sorry. View. Okay. Right. Hostname. Type the command. Hostname. Okay, here is NFS client IP space A. Now, client IP address is 10.10.10.20. Okay, now pin 10.10 pin server. Okay, network is okay. Come back the NFS server. Now, step 1. NFS server setup. Install the NFS server utilities. Type the command dnf install nfs-utils. Now, okay, complete. Nothing to complete. Okay. Now, create the export directory. Now, bin /etc/exports. Oh no, sorry. Now you need to create the file to the client. Now nkdir NFS share. You create the file. Okay, name is NFS share underline share. Okay. Now, to configure the export directory, type the bin /etc/exports. Okay. Here. Okay. Type the content n/nfs underline share. Here is server NFS server IP address 10.10.10.10/24. RW. You can read a range of courses. Here allows the root user on a client to retain root privileges on the shared directory. Now here's okay. Now start and enable the NFS server. You can type the system control start NFS/server. Okay. System control enable NFS server. Now system control status NFS server. Now the service is active. Okay. Now you need to configure the firewall. Maybe okay. Close the firewall. System control. Stop firewall. And system disable. Sorry. Okay. Firewall. Okay. Status. The firewall. Okay, now here is inactive. Firewall is inactive. Okay, now we into the NFS client. Okay, step 1, you install NFS client utilities. Type the command is dnf install nfs/utils. Okay, nothing to do, complete. It's okay. Make. Now you need create the file. Make dir slash nfs space. Okay, now we can come back to the server to the NFS share RHEL8. Sorry. Okay, now the NFS server, the NFS underline share the file. It's not anything. Now you touch a file is 123.txt. Okay, now ls create the 123.txt. Now here. Okay, now back the NFS client. Clear. Move the NFS space. Okay, ls. Okay, you can display there is not anything. Okay, now to mount the NFS server to the client, you can type the command mount -t space NFS space NFS server address IP is 10.10.10.10. Okay, // NFS share space to the client file is NFS underline space. Okay, now LL to display the NFS space. Okay, now here is NFS file. Okay, now you can understand the NFS configures. Alright, okay. Great job. You have just learned how to set up and configure an NFS server and client on RHEL8. This means allows you to share the directory across the network, making file management more efficient and convenient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorials series. See you next time.